Hello, 5th class children. Do you like stories? Yes. Today, I am going to tell a small listening test on Karate Kitten, which is in your textbook. So, shall I start? Yes. Kiran heard a shout. Kiran! Kiran! Oh, Rohit, why are you late? Kiran ran towards Rohit and asked, Rohit, come on, let's play a while and then you go. No, I'm sorry. I'm not interested in playing now, said Rohit. Why? What happened to you? Are you alright? I'm alright. But my father. What happened to your father? Asked Kiran. He got an injury on his head, replied Rohit. Has he met with an accident? Exclaimed Kiran. No. It's not an accident. It's only an incident, said Rohit. And you know who is the cause of injury? Our new pet kitten is the cause of injury. What? A kitten is the cause of injury? Exclaimed Kiran. Yes, it's a long story. Okay, tell me quickly. It's already late. No, Kiran, I will explain you tomorrow. I should go home. My father may be waiting for me, said Rohit. Okay, alright. Bye Rohit. Bye Kiran. So both of them left from their school. So this is the listening text on Karate Kitten and I am Vijay Gundu. Thank you for listening.